Hello, friends. Welcome back to Number Fun with Friends. Today, we're going on a counting adventure. Are you ready to count with us? Counting is not just fun, but it also helps us learn about the world around us. Let's start counting together. Let's count the apples in this basket.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There are 5 apples. Now it's your turn. Can you find something to count in your room? Look at these ducks in the pond. Let's count them together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now let's count with actions. Jump 5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great job. Imagine you're in space. Let's count the stars.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You've done an amazing job counting. Let's review what we've counted today. Apples, ducks, jumps, and stars. Counting is everywhere, from the things in your home to the stars in the sky. Keep practicing your counting, and soon you'll be counting even more things. Join us next time on Number Fun with Friends for more fun with numbers. Bye for now.